Hi, in this video I'll be sharing you a few tips and tricks which you can use in Premiere Pro to make your workflow faster. So let's get started. To duplicate a clip, you can click on the clip and hold down Alt and it will duplicate that clip. If you need to trim only the audio or the video of a clip, you can again hold Alt and then trim this. If you trim normally, both the audio and video is trimmed. We hold down Alt, you can just trim the audio or the video. If you have a few effects added, let's add a few effects like the blur. Let me add this Gaussian blur and tint effect. So if you have this clip and you have this effects added to this and you need to copy this to these three clips, you can easily do that by just clicking this clip, clicking on copy and then choosing these clips and paste attributes, and you can easily copy and paste this to these clips and hit OK. So the next one is to disable and enable clips. For example, if you need to disable this clip, you can just click on this and hit the button to just disable the clip. So there is a shortcut here. You can search for enable and I have set this as Shift E. You can select whichever keyboard shortcut you require and you can disable and enable the clip easily. You can just click on this and disable enable this easily without turning this track on and off. To cut through a few of the clips, you can select the blade tool and then hold down Shift. So doing this, you can cut all the clips at one go. So hold down Shift and just click. Next one is, there are times at which you need to just make an accurate cut at music. So if you need to go further, you can go to your sequence settings here and just click on this show audio time units, and what this will do is you can even go further, zoom in further into this to the minutest details to just make that trim or cut. The next one is the zoom in and zoom out. This is which I use almost every time, so you can set this to any shortcut. So the default is command plus and minus, so you can just zoom in and out quickly to wherever you are editing. If you need to select a couple of cut points, you can hold down command and just drag this and all these edit points will be selected. You can even left click and add transitions to this. So easily you have selected a couple of edit points and added a transitions. Next one is the Pancake Timeline. So do you know that you can stack your timelines? So you can just drag this and make it here. So you have stacked this over one another. This is called the pancake timeline. So you can easily drag and drop things from the top timeline to the one in the bottom. You can also open this in the source browser, like going to open in source monitor. And you can go through this timeline. You can also go to this option, and there is something called as open sequence in the timeline. So this is very useful. So now you can see each and every clip on the timeline, and it is playing in the source browser. So this is a very good way to easily edit. So this sequence is not altered. You can easily copy and paste all your clips. The next one is the drop frame indicator. So you can see this green color here. So it will show you whether your clip is playing in real time. So you can enable this by going here, and there is option to show drop frame indicator. Next is the presets. So if you are using any kind of effects over and over, you can save it as a preset. For example, if you use this blur as 65, you can save this as a preset to easily use the next time without changing this. You can go to save preset and Gaussian blur 65. Okay. And now if you go to effects and under the presets, you can see this, and you can easily drag and drop this onto any clip. So it will be easily applied. Next is the tilde key. So the tilde key is next to the numeric 1 in your keyboard. If you use the tilde key, you can enlarge any window which you select. So if you need to see this program monitor full screen, you can hit the tilde key. You can see this in full screen. Another option is the selection follows playhead. So go to sequence and select this selection follows playhead. So what this will do is this will select whichever clip is on your timeline. So you don't need to go and each time select this clip which you are working on. So it will easily select that clip for you. So hope you found these tips and tricks useful. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. So until next time, bye.